Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming new videos and notification. Um, so now I will tell you the use of the ordinary. Just have the look this bottle, that's ordinary, and you can see like it's an ordinary serum. So first, like, you properly clean and wash your face with the water, and then dry it with the towel. Then take few drops into the finger, apply acne scar, wrinkles and also dark circles. I will put into my hands and showing it to you how smoothly it looks. Just have a look. So it's a drop coming. Okay, and now I'm gonna rub it slowly. So you can also use this to your acne and dark circle and on the face. So it will be more glowing, smooth and shiny, and it helps nourish and dehydrated skin, and the formula called hyaluronic acid plus B5. Um, so personally, this is the product me and my family used it, which is recommended to all of you, and I got this from theboomshopinc.ca. We will also mention that in the description below, so you guys can go to the link and also help yourself. So you guys, if you guys like the video, and okay, so you can like and subscribe again, and you can see my hand again, like how smooth and clean it is. You can have a look, and I wish you all the best. Enjoy, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.